Hello, my name is Ritu Kanchan, and my research is on climate change expectations in the future. Some background information on it: what is it and what causes it? So, climate change refers to the deviations in the Earth's temperature, air pressure, clouds, wind, humidity, and precipitation patterns over time, as well as global warming caused by human emissions of greenhouse gases. So, greenhouse gases are gases that absorb and emit radiant energy within the thermal infrared range. Primary greenhouse gases in Earth's atmosphere are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. As seen in the animation, first the sunlight reaches the Earth, then some energy is reflected back into space, while some are absorbed and re-radiated as heat. However, most of the heat is absorbed by greenhouse gases and reflected in all directions, resulting in the warming of Earth or global warming. Some more background information: what needs to be known about it. There are many aspects of climate change. A few of them are listed here. First, we have frost-free season, which is the prediction that increases of a month or more and growing seasons are expected across the U.S. if gas emissions continue to grow. Also, droughts in the southwest and heat waves are predicted to be more intense. Sea level will also rise. It has already risen about 8 inches since 1880, and it is expected to rise about 1 to 8 feet by 2100. The Arctic Ocean will also become ice-free, and the melted water will contribute to the rising sea level. Additionally, according to the World Health Organization, climate change is expected to cause approximately 250,000 additional deaths per year between 2030 and 2050. As temperature rises, so will the number of people suffering from heat stress, heat stroke, and cardiovascular and kidney disease. As air pollution worsens, so will respiratory health, especially for the people living with asthma worldwide. And there will also be extreme weather, such as storms and flooding, that already lead to many injuries, but will do much more damage than ever imagined in the future. There is a lot of research on climate change, but not enough on the solutions to it. One article, Climate Change Solutions, Global Warming, Cost of Stabilizing CO2 is High but Manageable, researched on how to curb the growth of carbon dioxide. Their results suggested that a price be charged for it, and for newer technology to be made that saves energy. Another article focused on the distributional impact of climate change. Their research concluded that poorer and hotter countries will be more negatively affected, as expected. However, the Paris Agreement was made to help this. They stated the Coalition of Island States wanted zero net global emissions by 2060 to 2080. While the European Union preferred science-based 80 to 95% emission reductions by 2050. Also, for the first time, now the majority, 106 states to be precise, demanded preventing a temperature rise of 1.5 degrees Celsius. Why did I choose this topic? The purpose of my research is to predict how climate change will affect the world as a whole in the near future. I will expand on the influence and effects of climate change and the solutions found or still being found to help slow down its growth. This topic is important because it affects the world. It not only can destroy the landscape as we know, but hurt the lives of millions due to health issues that rise from the vast changes in the climate. This is my reference page. I used 2 articles from my annotated bibliography, and the rest were websites, and one more article that I found on the Paris Agreement. Thank you.